Here is how I created my first Mesop application using the summarized Groq model. The first thing I did was to install the Swarmauri full package version 0.4.0 Mesop. Then I imported the necessary libraries like the OS library, Mesop itself, Mesop labs, the GroqModel, the simple conversation agent, and conversation. The next thing I did was to fetch the API key from the environment variables I created, though I'm not disclosing that here. So the next thing I did was to initialize the GroqModel. After that, I created a simple conversation agent with the GroqModel. Next, I defined the function to be executed for the Mesop interface. So this first function, the converse function, it's the chat message here, carries the chat message. Next, I defined the page function where I gave it a title and also the bot user. So I'm going to run this in a Python file because currently I'm on a Jupyter notebook, so I want to run this with a Python file. Mesop app.py. So I just run mesop app.py and it's going to create a local host, as you can see on the screen right now. Localhost 32123. So I'm able to copy this. Hello. Okay. So if you get this error, don't panic. It's just that from the code itself, we specify that the path is going to be /chat. So currently we are accessing the default page, so we should access /chat. So after that is run, here's the chat model. So we can begin by asking this question. Okay, I want to ask it, so I create my own robots. Okay, so this proves that it works. So the simple the summarized agent chatbot works. So you can try this out and